Daily use English sentences life conversation. Hello. Where are you going? Hello, where are you going? Hello. Where are you going? Accompany me to the shop. Accompany me to the shop. Accompany me to the shop. Accompany me to the mall. Accompany me to the mall. Accompany me to the mall. Why don't you accompany me? Why don't you accompany me? Why don't you accompany me? Always accept your mistakes. Always accept your mistakes. Always accept your mistakes. Always appreciate others. Always appreciate others. Always appreciate others. Always believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself. Always get a second opinion. Always get a second opinion. Always get a second opinion. Ask him to get my laptop. Ask him to get my laptop. Ask him to get my laptop. Ask him to call me after 5. Ask him to call me after 5. Ask him to call me after 5. Ask him to take medicine on time. Ask him to take medicine on time. Ask him to take medicine on time. Can you ask him to buy bread? Can you ask him to buy bread? Can you ask him to buy bread? Be careful not to fall down. Be careful not to fall down. Be careful not to fall down. Be careful with your words. Be careful with your words. Be careful with your words. Be careful, the pan is hot. Be careful, the pan is hot. Be careful, the pan is hot. Can you be careful with my mobile? Can you be careful with my mobile? Can you be careful with my mobile? Please check if the geyser is off. Please check if the geyser is off. Please check if the geyser is off. Please check, someone's at the door. Please check, someone's at the door. Please check, someone's at the door. Can you please check my bill? Can you please check my bill? Can you please check my bill? Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. Call me at once. Call me at once. Call me at once. Call me once you get home. Call me once you get home. Call me once you get home. Come home as soon as possible. Come home as soon as possible. Come home as soon as possible. Come back with some good news. Come back with some good news. Come back with some good news. Come over for dinner tonight. Come over for dinner tonight. Come over for dinner tonight. Come inside only when I call you. Come inside only when I call you. Come inside only when I call you. Convey my regards to your parents. Convey my regards to your parents. Convey my regards to your parents. Convey my apologies to them. Convey my apologies to them. Convey my apologies to them. Convey my best wishes to Rahul. Convey my best wishes to Rahul. Convey my best wishes to Rahul. Don't be rude to anyone. Don't be rude to anyone. Don't be rude to anyone. Don't be shy with anyone. Don't be shy with anyone. Don't be shy with anyone. Don't be stingy, be generous. Don't be stingy, be generous. Don't be stingy, be generous. Don't behave like a child. Don't behave like a child. Don't behave like a child. Don't believe everything you see. Don't believe everything you see. Don't believe everything you see. Don't build a castle in the air. Don't build a castle in the air. Don't build a castle in the air. Don't call me at this number. Don't call me at this number. Don't call me at this number. Don't come unless I phone you. Don't come unless I phone you. Don't come unless I phone you. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. Keep me updated. Keep me updated. Keep me updated. Keep your advice up to yourself. Keep your advice up to yourself. Keep your advice up to yourself. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Keep everything. Keep everything. Keep everything.